Top 8 Terrifying Facts About Airplanes, Part 2 continued. On long haul flights, body bags are available, with some planes even having special compartments made intentionally to store dead bodies. Taking off is extremely dangerous. Heavy fog and botched radio signals have caused some of the world's worst airplane disasters. Thanks to the advancements in technology, planes don't technically need a pilot anymore. Thanks to global warming, the risk of more intense turbulence is far greater now than it has ever been. The pilots are fed a totally different menu than the passengers. Oxygen masks only work for 15